I've seen this type of hair coloring wax pop up all over social media lately. The idea is that this stuff just looks poisonous. So no idea how much to take, and be pretty generous with it. Let's go ahead and start with this amount right here. All right, so I'm just gonna, ooh, that is super. We're gonna put a lot in, see what happens. It's very wet. Dry down. We'll have to see if it dries down. Right now, it just feels like I'm putting paint in my hair. You know what the effect is? Obviously, I wouldn't recommend this for big ol' scoop. That is the one thing that I've learned. This stuff needs you need a lot of it. Get that. Oh, that does look pretty cool. Blue's coming through real well, even on my dark hair. You know, once again, it is giving a very kind of highlight vibe. Ooh, that feels real nasty. Man, I can probably tell. Wax getting my seal of approval like